What is up, guys? I just copped this EVGA RTX 2060 and I'm going to put it in my PC, replacing my 960. So obviously the first things I'm going to do is take my power source out of my PC, turn it off, and unplug the power source to the GPU and remove the thumb screws that is holding the GPU down. And now to take it out, simply I'm just going to press down the latch behind the GPU and then it should unlock it, and I'll do that right now. Alright, as you can see, the PCIe slot is now open, and when I put my 2060 in, it will lock it in place. Here's my 960. I'm going to unbox my 2060. Alright, so here is my 2060, and now I'll just set. Alright, so as you can see, I have it in, screwed it back in, and I have the power source connected along with power source in my PC. So now to test this out, and there you go. You see the fan spinning, and yeah, that's my GeForce RTX 2060.